Well, I lost my truck and my job in the same day. So this is the title of this. I lost my job and truck. Now I hit $900 days from home. This is what we're going to talk about. So I used to do the dash. Wait a minute. I have it here. I used to do it. I used to do the dash. Now I use this little thing to generate an income from home as a busy homeschooling mom. So in June of 2024, I was doing that dash. I was struggling, stressed out, and stuck. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to get out of the situation. And I don't have the skills to generate the kind of income that I needed. So if you're watching this and you're in the same boat, like you're searching for make money online, you're searching for ways to work from home. Maybe you're even looking for a way to generate substantial income like I was. This is something you don't want to miss, okay? So last year in June of 2024, I'm scrolling on my phone, right? Just scrolling, looking for a laugh because that's what I was looking for. On TikTok, scrolling, looking for a laugh, and this girl pops up. She's talking about God, homeschooling, and making boatloads. I did what I know a lot of you would do. Scroll. That's what I did. Well, 2 days later, my whole situation changed. 2 days later, I lost my beloved black Suburban and I lost the dash. Well, that was our source of income. So I saw this girl. She pops back up. Guess who pops back up? She pops back up. This time I asked 3 questions. Number 1, can I work from home? I haven't got a clue what this is, by the way. Number 1, can I work from home? Yes. Number 2, do I need a degree? No. And I said, okay, number 3. Now here, this might be the deal breaker for you. I was like, do I have to answer a phone? And she goes, no. And I'm like, oh, thank goodness, because that's the one thing I do not want to do. I don't want to be tied to a headset, to a phone. I got kids. No. So anyways, long story short, I started this. The rest is history. I focus on 2 hours of doing the income earning activities on one platform. Yes, you need to put some time aside. I had to learn some skills called digital marketing skills. I actually built a business, okay, by following a step-by-step program. What do? I make short little videos, 7 seconds, 35 seconds, and 1 minute. From this, not necessarily this one, this is ancient, but so that's what I do now. I promote products that I didn't create. These are the names of them: Legacy, Digital Mastery, Passive, and Launchpad. These are digital programs, and I do that by focusing on this right here. There's 2 hours. Let me move my picture to the side. 2 hours of doing the income earning activities. Put aside time to learn. We're going to learn those skills to create the content. So 3 pieces of content. Like I said, 7 second, 35 second, 1 minute. Can you do this? Yes, you can. I did it. I'm doing it. I've been doing it for 18 months and I was a complete beginner. No, I didn't need a degree. No, I didn't need any special skills. It gave me this opportunity to learn the skills to create the content. Half-hour post free ads and half-hour respond to comments. If you can copy and paste, even if you don't know how, you can learn that inside. Okay. That's what we do. Now, I will say this. I make 100% profit on products that I didn't even create. So I even have an automated system, which is so stinking cool. I didn't know that a regular person could have an automated system. So, but let's go through this. 100% profit. It is focused on doing 2 hours of the income earning activities. Listen, and now that's on one platform. If you choose to go on another platform, you got to add an hour. Okay. But the income earning activities, man, it is an amazing way to if you can learn to work smarter and not harder and have a 24-hour automated system out there working for you, it changes the way you live. It does. It gives you time that you didn't even know you could have. It's not an MLM. I make 100% profit. I didn't need a degree. I didn't need experience. Okay. So moving right along, because I don't want this to be long at all. You have everything inside of here. It is crazy. I can't go through the entire business in like a short 5-minute video, and I don't have the time, but I wanted you guys to understand that this is so beginner friendly. Anybody can do what I do. Now, I will share this quickly with you. You can screenshot this. This is what we call an income disclaimer because it's not a job. This is a business. So you can screenshot this. It says we cannot guarantee anything. It depends on your work and your effort, like what you're going to do with this, right? So screenshot that, okay? Now, I'm sharing that because I'm actually going to share with you quickly some inside of our community, okay? Inside of our community, we have 57,000 members right now. And these are screenshots from inside of our community. Okay, you can see she had her first sale. Deb, first sale, 900. I have 4 different programs. Let's share that first. 9, 6, 3, and 1. All right, there's a one-time $39 website fee. You choose your program, and there's no monthly fees. Now let's go back to this. Oh, and so I purchased the 9. I have all 4. Okay, this was in June of 2024. Let me remind you of something. In June of 2024, I did this, okay? My very first customer put me in profit mode. So let's go back to this quickly because I don't want to make this long. I just wanted to share with you, it's real, it's legit. Look, another 9, she said, while she took a nap. Ruben said, starting off the week right, first 900, 2 weeks into the program. Okay, if you're sick and tired of struggling, there is a way. And I'm living proof. Now, these are other people, all right? 1,800 on a lazy weekend. That's 2 customers of that #1 selling program. All right, this is me. Sale while homeschooling my kids. I didn't put what the sale was. I just put it. First sale. Oh, I should have did that the other way. First sale, 900. Sleepy money. I was so excited. I woke up on a Sunday morning to that sale. This is just to show you that it's very real, and it works, and it's legit, and I love it, okay? This is what's possible. There's an 18. I love what I do. Now, can you imagine waking up to a $900 sale? What would that do for you? Because this is the kind of mornings that I have now. I'm not doing the dash. I'm not rushing inside and outside all day long, going first thing in the morning till the last thing at night. If you're tired of the hustle, if you're tired of not having enough, if you want your time back, if you want to be able to generate an income from home, from your couch, in the comfort of your own home, drink hot coffee, slow, peaceful morning to go, this is what I love. This is what I love. That slow, peaceful morning that I love. You can't take it away from me. I will live like this forever. Just that slow pace. If that's the kind of thing that gets you happy, that's my happy place. Coffee, but can you imagine looking at your phone and having that very first customer? Now, if you're like, yes, man, I'm tired of hustling. I'm tired. If you were hustling like me, or you were looking for a way to bring in an income from home without adding a lot of time, then run to my profile. I will put this in the I'll put this in the description. This is my website. Grab the free blueprint. Grab the free blueprint, you guys. I'm giving the blueprint to you. It is free. Grab it. Simply put your email in, wait 5 minutes, check your promo, check your trash folder. It should go to your inbox, but if it doesn't, just check your promo and trash folders and then send me back an email. Message me. Well, I guess you can't message me on here, but send me back an email and let me know what you think. All right.